Did you know that plants can whisper secrets to each other beneath the soil? Some plants even boost their neighbors' growth, fend off pests, and enhance flavors, all without any chemicals or extra work from you. It's like having a team of superheroes right in your garden beds. Welcome back to Don't Do This Guide, and today we're unlocking the secrets of companion planting. Now, companion planting might sound like something out of a gardening magazine, but I can assure you it's a simple, time-tested technique that anyone can use. It's about understanding the relationships between different plants and using that knowledge to create a harmonious and productive garden. No complicated techniques, no expensive tools, just simple, actionable steps that you can implement right away. So, what exactly is companion planting? Well, it's a bit like being a garden matchmaker. You see, just like people, plants have their likes and dislikes, and some plants just grow better together than others. Companion planting is all about pairing plants that have beneficial relationships, helping each other to thrive. Think of it like this. Some plants release scents that deter pests, acting as natural protectors for their neighbors. Others attract beneficial insects, like ladybugs, which feast on those pesky aphids. And then there are plants with deep roots that bring up nutrients from the soil, making them available to shallower-rooted companions. Now, this isn't some newfangled gardening fad. Companion planting has been practiced for centuries by gardeners around the world. It's a way of working with nature, rather than against it, to create a healthy and productive garden. One of the key benefits of companion planting is that it helps to reduce the need for pesticides and herbicides. But the benefits don't stop there. Companion planting can also improve the growth and yield of your plants. When plants are grown in the right combinations, they can actually help each other to access nutrients and water more effectively. And let's not forget about flavor. Some plant pairings can actually enhance the taste of your fruits and vegetables. For example, planting basil alongside your tomatoes not only deters pests, but also improves the flavor of the tomatoes. It's a win-win situation. Now let's dive a little deeper into the wonderful world of companion planting and explore the numerous benefits it can bring to your garden. First and foremost, companion planting is a natural and effective way to deter pests. Certain plants, like marigolds, emit strong scents that confuse and repel a wide range of insects. Planting marigolds among your vegetables can help to keep those pesky critters at bay. Other plants attract beneficial insects, the tiny guardians of your garden. For instance, planting dill or fennel can attract ladybugs and lacewings, which are voracious predators of aphids and other soft-bodied insects. Companion planting can also help to improve the soil structure and fertility in your garden. Plants with deep roots, like comfrey, can help to break up compacted soil, improving drainage and aeration. Meanwhile, legumes such as beans and peas have a unique ability to fix nitrogen from the air, enriching the soil for their neighboring plants. Another fantastic benefit of companion planting is its ability to suppress weeds. By planting densely and strategically, you can create living mulch that shades the soil, making it less hospitable for those unwanted invaders. And let's not forget about the aesthetic appeal. Companion planting allows you to create visually stunning combinations in your garden. Imagine a vibrant tapestry of marigolds, zinnias, and nasturtiums intermingled with your vegetables, attracting pollinators and delighting the eye. But the benefits of companion planting extend beyond the practical. There's something deeply satisfying about understanding the intricate relationships between plants and working in harmony with nature to create a thriving ecosystem. So, as you plan your garden this year, consider embracing the principles of companion planting. Let's get down to the practicalities and show you how to get started. The first step is to choose the right plants. There are plenty of resources available online and in gardening books that list compatible plant combinations. A good place to start is by thinking about what you like to grow. Plan your garden layout with a simple pencil and paper. Sketch out your garden beds and mark where you plan to plant each crop. Remember to consider the mature size of each plant to ensure they have enough space to grow. Once your plants are in the ground, keep a close eye on them and water regularly. Mulching with organic matter can help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and improve soil fertility. Companion planting is about observation, experimentation, and adapting your approach. Now let's delve into some handy tips and tricks that will set you on the path to companion planting success. Firstly, embrace diversity. Just like a good party needs a mix of personalities, a thriving garden benefits from a variety of plants. Aim for a diverse range of species and varieties to attract beneficial insects, improve soil health, and reduce the risk of pests and diseases. Next, think vertically. Don't limit yourself to just planting at ground level. Incorporate climbing plants like beans or cucumbers to maximize space and create a multi-layered ecosystem. You can use trellises, fences, or even other plants like corn as natural supports. Timing is crucial. Pay close attention to the planting times for each plant and try to pair those with similar requirements. Some plants, like radishes, mature quickly and can be used as catch crops, sown between slower-growing vegetables to make the most of the space. Don't underestimate the power of flowers. Incorporate flowering plants like marigolds, nasturtiums, and zinnias throughout your vegetable garden. Not only do they add beauty and cheer, but they also attract pollinators and beneficial insects, creating a haven for wildlife. Observe and adapt. Keep a close eye on your plants and note any changes in their growth or health. If you notice a particular plant pairing isn't working well, don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations. Remember, companion planting is an ongoing journey of discovery. Each season brings new lessons and opportunities to refine your skills and create a garden that is both productive and harmonious. Now, even the most experienced gardeners make mistakes, and companion planting is no exception. One common mistake is overcrowding. It's tempting to squeeze in as many plants as possible, but this can lead to competition for resources, reduced air circulation, and an increased risk of pests and diseases. Remember, giving your plants adequate space is crucial for their health and productivity. Another common pitfall is ignoring the needs of each plant. Just because two plants are considered good companions doesn't mean they have identical requirements. Pay attention to the individual needs of each plant in terms of sunlight, water, and nutrients to ensure they all thrive. Neglecting soil health is another common mistake. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Before planting, amend your soil with organic matter, like compost or well-rotted manure, to improve its structure, fertility, and water-holding capacity. Many gardeners fall into the trap of planting the same combinations year after year. While some plant pairings are tried and true, it's important to rotate your crops to prevent the buildup of pests and diseases, and to ensure a balanced nutrient profile in the soil. And finally, don't underestimate the importance of observation. Take the time to regularly observe your plants and note any changes in their growth, health, or pest pressure. Early detection is key to addressing any issues before they become major problems. Remember, gardening is a journey of continuous learning and adaptation. Embrace the challenges, learn from your mistakes. And there you have it. By understanding the relationships between plants, you can create a thriving, resilient garden that practically takes care of itself. Remember, the key is to plan, observe, and adjust as needed. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us create more content to help you avoid common pitfalls and make the most of your gardening journey. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. And we'd love to hear from you. Share your own companion planting tips or questions in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Don't Do This Guide. Until next time, happy planting. And remember, in the garden of life, we're all companions.